Hi, kindergarten. Today we're doing lesson 11. It's another lesson with your balancing scale, so please make sure you have it ready with you. You can follow along with what the teacher on the screen is doing, but remember, you're going to go talk to Mr. Malcolm about this lesson during math class. So get ready and enjoy the video.
Hi friends, and welcome to today's lesson. My name is Mrs. Hawkins, and today we are going to be observing weight on a balanced scale. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to be using this balance scale and comparing the weight of these two red balls that I just made. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in each side, and we're going to compare them. So I'll put this one over here, and this one over here.
Remember, kindergarten, you have Play-Doh that you can use if you want to do a similar thing in your balance scale.
Are they the same weight? Be sure that you use the math words heavier than or lighter than to describe them. Yeah, I heard one of my friends say they are not the same weight. This red ball is heavier than this red ball, and I know that because this side went down. And another friend said this red ball is lighter than this red ball because this side of the scale went up. Take your pointer finger and on the screen, point to which side is heavier. Yes, this one is heavier. Now point to which one is lighter. Yes, this side is lighter. Now I want to try to make them the same weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little pieces of my bigger ball and add it to this one until they're the same weight. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little piece off of this one. That one back on there. And I'm going to add it to this ball. And I'm going to be sure to set them both right in the middle. Are they even? No. Let's take a little bit more from this one. Make it back into a ball. Set it in the middle. We'll add that to this one. Do you think they're going to be even this time? Let's find out. I'll set this one right in the middle. Let's wait for it. What do you think? Are they even? Yes, I think so too. Now let's try this. I'm going to take this ball and I'm going to roll it and really make a really good ball. Okay. There we go, and I'm going to set it in the middle. And then with this one, I'm going to flatten the ball and make it look kind of like a pancake. A red pancake. So I'm going to take this and put it back over on this side. Let's wait a second till it stops wiggling. All right, are they the same weight? Yes, they're still the same. Now I'm going to take my pancake and I'm going to break it. And I'm going to quickly roll it, trying to use one hand. Now, what do you think will happen when I put these two smaller red balls that I made out of my pancake and put them back on this side of the scale? What do you think might happen? I'm hearing some really good guesses. I heard one of my friends say, well, it's going to weigh more now because there's more of them. I heard another friend say, I think it's going to stay the same because we didn't take any off. We just made that pancake into two balls. And then another friend said, I think it's going to weigh less because they are smaller. Really good guesses. So now let's put these back on the scale and see what happens. So what happened? They are the same. But how are they the same? Are they the same number? The same size? What do you think? No, the same weight. Let's try something else. I'm going to take this one big red ball we still have, and I'm now going to make it into three smaller balls. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So I took my big red ball and I made 3 smaller balls. So now tell me, what do you think is going to happen when I take these 3 smaller balls and put them back on the scale? What do you think? Those are some great guesses. I'm going to go ahead and put these 3 smaller balls that we made out of our one big red one back on the scale. Let's see what happens. Now, do we have the same number of balls on both sides? No, we have 3 on this side and 2 on this side. Are they the same size? No, these are smaller. But are they the same weight? Yes, they are. Let's take our 3 small balls and mush them back together to make one big red ball. Put it back in here. And let's take the 2 we made and mush them back together and make one big red ball and set it back in the middle. Do they still weigh the same? Yes. Here is today's problem set. You are going to be working on the entire problem set. So why don't you go ahead and get started. What a fun day we had today. Be sure you complete your problem set and check in with your teacher. And I will see you next time.
Great job, kindergarten! Remember to work on that problem set, and you will go over it with Mr. Malcolm. See you later!